layout filters. Revert back to the layout options in the upper right hand corner. Scroll down to options. This will open up a drop down. First things first, to establish a layout filter is to choose a data source. Here under this data source drop down will be a listing of all of the data sources that are currently being used within your layout. After you select the data source, select fields that you would like to set the filter on. This will be a listing of all of the different fields that are currently being used somewhere within this layout. If I select ship date, click the plus, it'll drop it down into the layout filter. And just like with the tile filters, you can select distinct, range, or compare filters. For this example, I'll take range and I will choose a fixed start date. We can change this to January 5th, 2016. And we can make our end date relative. We can make it relative to this day. And by clicking apply, anywhere that ship date is affiliated within this particular layout has now filtered down to show just that date range. If you noticed here within our sales by customer grid, this also filtered down even though ship date is not being displayed, because we had the ship date field in our hidden category. To allow our sales by person pie to participate in the layout filter, we will need to get the ship date field associated with this tile. We don't necessarily need it to be displayed, but we can always go back in and add it into the hidden category. If you establish a layout filter but currently have a tile filter established to an individual tile, the layout filter will always trump the tile filter.